Wi-Fi sensing for child presence detection overview. Recently, children being left behind in cars has become a social issue. Child presence detection has been applied as Euro NCAP test item and has become embraced as a new standard. In collaboration with Origin Wireless, Murata Manufacturing has developed Wi-Fi sensing for child presence detection. Since Wi-Fi radio waves are used, the sensing system can be easily built by installing the software to an in-vehicle Wi-Fi system that was pre-configured for applications such as vehicle navigation systems. It can be installed anywhere within the car by using Wi-Fi radio waves. Since Wi-Fi radios spread into the car, there are no blind spots and enables detection of children on the floor or under blankets. Even the smallest movement of children's chests can be detected while they are asleep. Murata's Wi-Fi sensing for child presence detection can be applied to achieve positive evaluation results from NCAP, which is becoming a new standard.